Bibi ha me kakra. I know my husband will not be happy with this, but I feel like yes, it's not an attack or anything, but I feel like I should spell it out. Yeah, at the economy, social media. Into my dream, say if it's not going well, social media, nana. Was a mediba. Oh, why you saying, mommy, we beg, please? And you be bonny. No, as I said, and you be bonny. Na a idea me per se, you know, 2 years hopeful. On say, ye ain't celebrities, no say, ye donation and ye be na ye video by yana, a bimo say, oh, you could have done it without a camera. Yana bimo say, ye anymore. I've been seeing those comments. You could have done it without a camera, and you could have done it without a camera. But me bet you one reason why it's here. Ye bibia ye the camera to so ye menyame ye free akomem. Ye menyame ye free akomem. Asem we aha me pam the type asem ha me a me worry na masesa asem ha me a me come ani free me mu na I'm okay. But then my husband will be like yeah twaso then I just make us you could see in me say if I don't control myself, maybe I mean to me in but my gada me hona me kasa. 2021 me hona me penny be sending me video. I even posted it on. I send him me so yeah, buano, and I me post here. Most of Papa my man phone it's not even on my page. Me delete it, but I don't know why this particular video mean deleting free me page. Now, fast forward. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you. Fast forward. As I said, say asama hamia che, but then I feel yemfen too ye hopeful because be brain na antini me bia se de ntia ye papa ye twa yemfen too ye hopeful. Me nim Kyekyeku'S wo baby o, but then me whole video where I just called him home. And me ye ni papa. Because as at that time we all know say nipa bia here nipa to support. So I did whatever I did for this guy from my heart. Yes, okay, fast forward. And a video no mo be fie no eso enye. I haven't deleted it. Okay. Enti obe fie enye. As you can see, me channel $2,000. Me nye papa ma obi enka. I'm not that type, but the same way I am ya. Me so I will me like I am ya. I am not that type. I me papa mo bi ameka. Ana say me di epanipa no enum. But ye nyina yemfa de we enye efutusem. As you can see from my voice, me so kwa me so. Because I am ya. Mo fanche me fa iti af small mo fanche. Fast forward. Oh God. Man control me want me to me but I'll control myself. Ever since that time, mo follow me channel. How many times am who's a boy or try me movie? Mo follow Tracy Boakye TV no. How many times and am who say Kyekyeku'S try me movie? Because me movie, me try I use everybody. Me you see obia. I don't focus on nipa bako. Me you see obia. Inti e wo hwa na masesem me you see akra for kakra. E wo hwa na masesem na me you see kumase for kakra. Na when na some time ago I called Kyekyeku'S. Me friend no na me say oh Kyekyeku'S medjuma. And I say mommy mate. So that time no na wa disappoint me be 3 times. And me say tell me no so yeah. Ebia wa busy yen fa nkofofofo na me say mate ntimbora ebedi. People have started WhatsApping me. Me bufu ye. I am just saying something na eye me ya. Eye me ya. Me Kyekyeku'S asem pa o. But asem no ye me ya. Now, se obia the artist eba. Ye nyina ye de eba he. So obia the artist eba. Na obia frey be fie ye papa we bia. Me need to think industry ni benya problem da. This is a message I have sent to this boy, but me chance cano me the ba social media. Entino, ade ode ye me na ye me ya no. I want to bring it here because obi tinchen a onti ase. Obi tinchen a onti bibiase. Me nim je me dia boy. Or disappointed tina sing stubborn ghost movie no. Na me ni no my giant ho kasa for like 1 year. Don't even see him. Me ni ye nkasampo. But watch. Let's all use this na yemfa into ye hofo. I know people that don't understand me will come and talk. As I said, I am not for trend, I am not for anything. I didn't even want to do it, but me chani sikano e was social media. But for nipa to know say nipa binom no adwe omodi na wi ase no. Unya usika nka wonko edi.
Ajeta.
Senka unya usika enka wonko a enka di. Obviously take your money back me dey. I don't hate him. I don't need my money. My no papa say me dey be betwa movie. Me ye Kyekyeku'S papa say me dey be betwa movie. Enka me set bia enka me frɛ no. I don't call him. I hardly call him. Ye mubi, ye can be, and then you boy no. And you all can attest to that. Because boy, no more from na sa normal. But ye nyankopon nam ye mubi so, and I can say it with my full chest. Nyankopon and nam ye mubi so. And the G boy no a pie, and you mean I didn't buy it, Dr. Likey, Emon didn't buy it. But nyankopon nam ye mubi so. And a boy no out from the brain. I am the last person who saw this idea near me. Now me no. Me you be an American, me Chinese carrier, you know. I could have called him on me set beer. But me see me kind the last time I made him any home. Me kind the last time in any kasai. But this is about the 3rd or 4th time I boy na bomb Timothy. But I see him say, time na sebe all struggle no. Omo free no. I just want my friend Juba. Time boy no obia apart from Dr. Likey name not all struggle and no BNP no. And next uncle for no. I'm say just want my friend Kyekyeku'S. Kyekyeku'S be dimirika be kwa yo medjuma. Meni so nansenya me meni so. Me twa stubborn goes we answer na 3940 e kwa kwatwa na djuma na e wo YouTube no. 39 e kwatwa second one no. Na my friend Kyekyeku'S dada. Say oh mama ye medjuma mama. Do you understand? 3940 me Kyekyeku'S come and chini bi. Boy if free abroche be di Accra 4 days on my set. 4 days on my set. And so boy no me nyane papa da. 39 mo e kwatwa second one no. And so me nyane say Kyekyeku'S was set and so I'm say wow. So I even called my old friend now the number to me. So I sent an audio to him say hey Kyekyeku'S sana wotie. Sana wotie enti fa no say movie adwuma nko na me ye. And then I'm also cruel for nka me didia. Is this how to pay me back? Mommy, I'll call
Abusia, ajeta Alice, my drink. Kyekyeku'S crying say Kyekyeku'S Alice. Cause that's why they all responded to her message. Let her know say, oh intimi ma, why you busy? These are the reasons. What you see? Cause Tracy Boakye fan say the younger brother. And the why no a hano.